This is a 2012 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. All of the following features are included: a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a 4-wheel independent suspension, roof rails, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Kuhn Sterling Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 46869 Harry Bird Highway in Sterling.